Hi everyone. Welcome to English Conversation Hub, your go-to place to practice, improve, and enjoy English through real-life conversations. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to become more fluent, we've got you covered with simple, clear, and useful dialogues for everyday situations. Let's learn and speak English with confidence, one conversation at a time. Why are you late to class today? I'm sorry, sir. I overslept this morning. Overslept? Is this the first time, or does it happen often? It's rare, sir. I stayed up late last night working on the project you assigned. I appreciate your dedication, but you need to balance work and rest. Did you finish the project? Yes, sir, I did. But I had to wake up early to finalize it, and that's when I ended up snoozing my alarm. I understand, but being late affects your discipline and the rhythm of the class. What can you do to avoid this in the future? I'll try to manage my time better and sleep earlier, sir. That's a good start. Also, maybe set 2 alarms. That's a great idea, sir. I'll set one on my phone and one on my clock. Excellent. Now, did you miss any important announcements while you were late? I think I missed the first 5 minutes of class. Was anything crucial discussed? We reviewed the homework from yesterday. Did you have any questions about it? I struggled a bit with question 5. Could you explain it later? Of course. We'll go over it after class. What about the notes from today? Did someone share them with you? Not yet, but I'll ask my friend to help me catch up. That's a responsible attitude. Being late shouldn't become a habit, though. I understand, sir. It won't happen again. I hope not. Punctuality is a life skill, and it's better to learn it early. Thank you, sir. I'll do my best to improve. That's good to hear. By the way, how is your preparation for next week's test? I've started revising, but I need more time to focus on the essay section. The essay section requires practice. Make sure to write at least one essay every day. That's a great suggestion, sir. I'll start doing that today. Good. And don't hesitate to ask for help if you're struggling with any topics. Thank you, sir. I'll make sure to come to you if I need clarification. Excellent. Now find your seat and get started on today's lesson. Yes, sir. Thank you for understanding. Just remember to be on time tomorrow. I promise, sir. I'll be here on time.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.